Happy new month, everyone. Today's video is going to be on dividend alert. I'm very sure that you wrapped up your quarter one, your H1, your whatever. Okay, it's not H1, it's actually quarter one. I hope you wrapped it up nicely. And this quarter two, you're about to earn more money. If you're playing in the Nigerian stocks, if you're playing in the US stocks, a lot of opportunities are there. But today, I want to focus on Nigerian dividend stocks that are about to make us good money. First of all, I want to tell you that the Nigerian Stock Exchange ended March 2026 on a very positive note. We actually went up by 4.39%. So this marks the fourth consecutive gains. So December, January, February, March, 4 good months, we are doing so well. The all share index in the month of March moved from 192,000 to 200,000. So on a quarterly basis, this makes us yummy. So a lot of stocks have done so well, and that has led to some stocks, some companies giving us some very juicy dividend earnings. So in today's video, let us talk about the dividend alerts and how we are going to be earning a lot of money. The first question I want to ask you is, are you qualified to receive this money? Every year these companies are paying out billions of naira to investors and you are not getting it. So if you have not been receiving dividends, there are two things that are involved. One is probably that you don't know about the qualification dates. So you buy maybe after qualification date and you miss. Two, it's possible that you don't own the stocks. Or rather, three, you bought these stocks, but you are not receiving dividends. You have unclaimed dividends. So this could be your reason. But for today, I want to show you companies that you can still catch up and buy so you can make some money. Are you ready? 12 companies that are paying next. In fact, there is even one that's paid today. Today that I'm doing this video, they actually paid today. So let's get into the video. First things I want to let you know is that you need to start setting up your finances so you are not constantly stressed about money. Investing is a journey. It's not a one-off thing. I see people who put in 1 million and they are hoping that they will make all the money in the world with that 1 million in 30 days. You are in the wrong place. So investment requires patience, discipline, plan, time, money, and then you will get it right. And of course, invest in a way that actually creates long-term wealth. It's also good to trade, in and out, but if you're going to do that, trade with a plan. Always have a plan. That's one of the things we are learning in the community right now, how to properly strategize and have the right strategy for every stock. So you fail, of course, when you don't have any discipline. When you don't have any plan, you don't know why you're buying a stock. When someone calls out a stock, you don't even know what the person is calling the stock. And of course, you don't have any structure. So today I'm going to give you the stock paying dividend companies. I'm going to give you the amount of money that they are paying, their qualification dates, and their payment dates. So welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Julia, and on this channel I show you how to make your money sweat for you. Yes, your money can work 247, work for you, work for your children, work for your children's children, and so many generations. But there are days you cannot work. There are days you're out and days you're not in the mood. So watch this video to the end. You're going to learn a lot. Get your notebooks and your biros so you can write down some of this information. And of course, like the video because it helps YouTube to show this video to more people. Many people need to know how to get this free money. And of course, drop a comment. Let me know if you have all the 12, some of them. Let me know the ones you have and how much you're expecting. Are you expecting 100K, 1 million, and so on? So subscribe if you have not subscribed. Let's go. First of all, let's talk about qualification dates. I know sometimes people get confused about these things. Every time a dividend is about to be paid, two important dates are released. There are so many other dates, so record dates, so many other things, but you see these two. Qualification date is the date by which you must be on the register of members to receive. So if a company says qualification date is 2nd of April, it means that before that 2nd of April, you should have owned it, meaning you would have bought it before that date. Then the payment date is the day they pay people who bought it before the qualification date. So I always try to avoid the qualification date itself. These two dates are things you should be looking out for, whether you're using the app, whether you're looking at the memos that are released online for these companies, either any of them, just make sure that you're checking the qualification date and the payment date. So with that being said, let's get into the first one. Bua Cement. Bua Cement is currently at 296 naira. The last 12 months, meaning by this time last year till April this year, it has done 254%. Pretty amazing. If you had 1 million, you have 2.5 million right now. They're actually paying Bua Cement is paying 10 naira. This is a mistake. Bua Cement is paying 10 naira and their qualification date is the 8th of May. So this one, you still have time. See, you still have a month to prepare and plan so you can earn from this month. And then the day they will pay will be on the 21st of May. So make sure you take note of this information. And then the second one actually mixed their dates, their payments. So Bua Cement is actually 10 naira, while Afripod is 40 kobo. So this company is currently 13 naira. And the last 1 year, it has dropped by 8%. So this stock was currently around 19 naira. So for this particular stock, I see some opportunities here. You can actually leverage on and earn both capital gains and dividends, but they just pay their dividend today. They pay their dividend today. So if you had bought it in March, you would be receiving your payment today. Now let's get to the third one, Dangote Cement. Dangote Cement is currently 810 naira as at the time I'm doing this video. And the last 1 year, this stock has returned 69%. Your 1 million would have given you 1.69. Your 100,000 would have given you 169,580 naira. So they are paying a whooping 45 naira. Now, if you have 10 shares, multiply 10 by 45, that will give you 450 naira. 100 shares will give you 4,500. 1,000 shares will give you 45,000. 100,000 shares will give you 450,000 naira. Okay, and so on and so forth. Sorry, 10,000 shares will give you 450,000 naira, and then 100,000 shares will give you 4.5. So this qualification date is 17th of June. This still has time. So if you're a smart person, you will buy the ones that will be paying in the month of April, so that when you take some of the money, you can put it and still grab this one. That is for people who do what we call dividend cycling, people who go in to buy stocks for the sake of the dividend payments. That is a strategy some people have, but there are some other issue, things that you should know about it. I've done a video about this information. So because sometimes a stock may drop. So after buying it at 810 naira, the stock now drops to 750. If you sell it because you want to use the money to buy another stock, that means you'll be losing almost 70 naira because you did not check. So there are so many strategies. Be sure. That's why I said if you don't have a plan, you will fail. Always be sure of what you're doing. This company is paying 45 naira. So buy it before 17th of June and they will pay you 2nd of July. The fourth one is Geregu. Geregu is currently paying 9 naira and they are paying on the 30th of April. So now this one, if you want to get access to this amount of money on the 30th of April, you have to buy before 13th of April. So we have like 11 days to go. Remember, they have Saturday and Sunday, so you can't count them in. And of course, the public holidays. This stock, the last 1 year has been hovering between 1,000 and 1,140, which you can still leverage on. This particular stock has liquidity issues. I've seen a lot of people who have said they have bought it and to sell it is a problem. So make sure you do your own research. This video is for educational purposes anyway. So when I have done this, make sure you go back and make sure you do some research and know the ones that you are going to take, take the positions on. Now, this is Mikio. Mikio is 55 naira. This stock did so well. He actually did over 500%. People who bought this stock at 20 naira saw this stock cross 100 naira. That was a 500% return. That was crazy, but it has been selling off because people have been taking a lot of profits and it's down to 55. This is the reason why you should learn how to take profits. So for you to qualify for 32 kobo per share, You have to buy it before 23rd of April. I am yet to see the payment date, so I'll probably update when I see this. The next one is Lafarge. Lafarge is currently 217 naira. The last 1 year has done 200%, and they're paying 6 naira. So you must have it today, or you can buy it tomorrow, being the 3rd of April. So this is coming timely, and they're paying on the 30th of April. If you are interested in this, quickly jump on it. 1,000 shares will give you 6,000 naira. 10,000 shares will give you 60,000 naira. That's, sweet money to collect. MTN Nigeria is currently 719 naira, and they're paying 15 naira. This company did so well. They did over 200% in the last 1 year. So you have to buy before 8th of April. You still have time. They'll be paying on the 5th of May. So take note of this date. The next one is NGX. This is one stock we have in the community that made us a lot of money. I gave this call out when it was 50 naira, and we ran to 199 naira, which is almost 400%. This stock has done 422% in the last 1 year. So they are paying 2 naira, and you have to buy it on or before 10th of April. And of course, you get paid on the 26th of April. They're also doing bonus 1 for 3. So for every 3 shares you own, this company will give you one more. So if you have 3,000, do the calculation and drop it in the comment section. If you have 3,000 shares, how many bonus shares are they going to give you? I already know the answer, but I want you to drop it in the comment. Let me know if you are good with calculations. The next one is NASCON. NASCON is currently 146. They've had a beautiful year. It used to be about 30 naira, and they ran to 150 naira, which is amazing. In fact, they're paying 6 naira. This you have missed, because today is 2nd April and their qualification date crossed and closed yesterday, but they're paying on the 28th of April. So good luck to you if you bought this one. Seplat Petroleum is currently, this stock is one stock that made people to smile this year. They are paying 83 cents, which is around 114 naira. These ones are paying in dollars. Our levels, they this thing. No. You have to buy before 15th of May, so you still have time. They're going to pay on the 29th of May. This has done 65% yield from the last 12 months, which is beautiful. And this is GT. So let's go to GT, but I feel like let me talk about TIP. TIP is one stock that did well. It has done over 400%, even though right now it's around 388. They're paying 30 kobo, which is beautiful. This is one stock I really love. So you buy it before 7th of April, so you can earn your dividend on the 4th of May. So let me talk about GT. GT shattered, created a new level for all the banking sectors. They paid 7 naira last year for final dividends and paid interim 1 naira. And this year they are upping their game. See levels. Orange investors, I hail you now. This is one other stock we have in the community. This company is paying 11 naira 76 kobo on the 13th of April, on the 28th of April. So buy it before 13th. You still have time. The last 1 year, it has done 100%. If you bought it around 60 naira, it's around 122 now. Congrats to you. And of course, this is someone who bought NGX at 61 naira 83 kobo. And I told the person, you have even done 300. That was when it was at 300%. And she says, thank you for always being supportive. See what you are missing in the community. So beyond that, we also have a list where you get dividend stocks, ETFs, both Nigerian stocks and US stocks, gold and silver stocks to own, growth stocks, the ones that are going to return us up to 300%. And then all other recommendations, updates on things that are happening. And we're doing dollar dividend challenge. We are building to earn $100 every month. Some people are already on building towards $1,000 every month. So when you come, you join others. 8.0, we have just 5 slots remaining, and it is just 50,000 naira. Jump in now. Jump in now. The link to pay is the first in the description. Of course, I told you these are the things you are going to learn when you join the community. And I hope you enjoyed today's lesson on dividend earnings. I hope you learned something interesting. Let me know the stocks you have. Let me know the ones you are going to be buying. Let me know how much you're expecting. Are you expecting 4 figures, 5 figures, 6 figures, 7 figures, 8 figures, 9 figures? All join. Maybe the next video I'll break down how you can calculate your earnings using GT. I'll probably do that video tomorrow. So if you're interested in that GT video to break down how to calculate your dividend earnings, and know exactly how much will get into your bank account, drop it in the comment section. GT breakdown, GT code breakdown, GT code breakdown.